Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling a common photo edit concern, the double chin. We have all been there, but fear not. Photoshop has some handy tools to help us achieve a sharper jawline. So let's open Photoshop and get started. First, we need to isolate the chin area. Select the pen tool from the toolbar. Click around the chin and create a path that defines your desired jawline. Don't worry about the perfect smoothness yet, just focus on the overall shape. Once you are happy with the path, right click and choose Make Selection. Make sure the feather radius is 1 and hit OK. With the selection active, press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the area into a new layer. This becomes your chin layer. Now go to the background layer. With the pen tool selected, select the lower part below the chin area. Right-click and choose Make Selection. Hit OK. Again, press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the area to a new layer. This will be the neck layer. Now, here comes the fun part. With the neck layer selected, press Ctrl or Command T to transform it. Right-click and choose Warp. A grid appears. Change the grid to 5 by 5 from here. We want to push the chin area upwards. So, click and drag the grid point slightly and subtly redefine the jawline. Remember to aim for natural looking results. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you can say goodbye to double chins in your photos. Remember, subtlety is the key. Don't overdo the edits and maintain a natural look. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.